Hello guys, welcome to our class. Today I'll teach you on how to create a Flutter project using the Android Studio. So the current version of our Android Studio is version 4.1.1. So we are in the welcome screen of the Android Studio. So you can create new project if you want to create a Kotlin project or a Java project in Android, or you can click the create new Flutter project. So the create new Flutter project, as you can see, it appears here because we already installed the Flutter SDK or the Flutter plugins for Android Studio. So we can check that by clicking on the configure, then SDK manager, and then go to plugins. So as you can see, we already installed the Dart or Flutter plugins for Android Studio as the requirement in creating Flutter project in Android Studio. So let us close this, and then we'll be clicking on the create new Flutter project instead, since we will be creating a Flutter project. So click create new Flutter project, and then you will be choosing the Flutter application. Click next, and you will be naming your project, for example Flutter app, and then you need to locate the Flutter SDK path. So remember, when you extract your Flutter SDK, you need to take note of the directories. So in our tutorial, we'll be locating the Flutter SDK path. So by clicking this button, and then since we put the Flutter SDK under C, source, and then Flutter, then just select the Flutter SDK folder. So you do not need to open this folder, but because you will be having a problem once you open it and you select specific folder in it. So just select the main or the parent folder for the SDK, then OK, and then okay, so the description is a new Flutter application. Click next, and then you can set the package name. So in this example, we will be retaining the default package name of our project. But if you are planning to upload this or publish your application in Google Play Store, it is better to change this package name into your domain name and make your package name unique. Okay, that's it. Just click on the finish button. Then wait while the Android Studio populate the resources for your Flutter project. So just wait while the Android Studio creating your project or preparing your project. So it is done. So you can explore that by clicking this button. Then as you can see, it is the same with the Visual Studio Code directory. So we have the Dart tool. So we have the Dart tool, the Android, the iOS, the library, which you can locate your main.dart file, your pubspec YAML as the configuration file of your project. So let us test this application if it's running. So you can run your application by clicking on the play button. So there is no connected device, so you need to select first the Android emulator, and then wait until the emulator opens, and then let's try to run our project. So let us wait until the application loads to the emulator. So it is installing your application. Just wait to load or to appear on the emulator. So this is our application. So this is the default application in Flutter project. So you can test your application by clicking on this button, the floating action button. So as you can see, as you click on the floating action button, the number here increases. Okay, let's have a modification to our first Flutter project. For example, by changing the title of our application. For example, we'll be calling this as Flutter tutorial. And then click or press Ctrl S to hot reload our application. And as you can see, the changes take effect to our project and the title of our application becomes Flutter tutorial. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you on our next videos. God bless.